Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Gatorade G Fit, and check this out. It's a healthy, real rehydration. It's a tropical mango. They're electrolyte. Now the difference between this one and the ones they use naturally sourced sweeteners. So there's the ingredients: watermelon juice, citric acid, sea salt, and they use stevia. So they don't actually use sugar to sweeten it too much, which is actually kind of cool. And there's all these vitamins in there. And there's the salt content and potassium content. So let's do a quick taste test. There it is. So it tastes like, I'll tell you, I don't really taste there's a hint of mango, but most of it does taste like watermelon juice. It's actually pretty cool. So a hint of mango, yeah, but it's actually pretty good. It's not overly sweet or anything. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post, scratch.